Normally, it is a good thing. People ask forgiveness from each other. People send messages to each other through phone, through letters, through text, through email, through Facebook. That's fine. But really, you don't need to ask forgiveness from all as such. You know, or as far as you know, that who is really not happy, or who you have things or matters with. A person mostly knows. It's no use asking forgiveness from people living on the other side of the earth, whilst your own family, your own wife, your own husband, your own children, your own neighbors, you are not good with them. Your relatives, you are not, the animosity, the hatred is not gone from there. Because these are the people who you will have these things against, not living on another planet or another continent. So, this is the preparation. Because it's easy to do 1000 nawafil, read 10 Qur'ans, do lot of tasbeehs of zikr, but to walk towards the house of someone who is not in good terms with you, but the matters have been meaning you may say made worse, that you are not in good relation, the relationship is sore. To walk one step towards that house is more rewardable than 1000 nafal. Because this is very, very heavy, which the nafs, they don't want to do. People ask, yeah, they will fast, they will recite Quran, they will give sadaqah, but they won't visit someone who have cut ties with them. They won't amend relationship with them. They won't normalize. So, the Sahabah Ikram Ridwan Ajmain, they were free people from sins anyway, but they are teaching us really that how to prepare and benefit.